So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the wonderful opportunity from the PhonePe, Phillips, another important company. So if you are freshers or if you have some knowledge, internship experience, then this is a wonderful opportunity. So first important opportunity from the PhonePe, they are hiring for the role of Operation Associate KYC. And what is the key responsibility? You will document validation and verification, responsible for thorough validations and KYC, verify the authenticity or validity of document and these all things. So this is a kind of, you can say, non-tech job, little bit tech involved there, but most of these are non-technical roles. So if you are interested with this, then you can apply. Coming to next important opportunity, this is tech role from the Philips. You know, Philips is a good company, so they are hiring for the software technologies test automation. So if you have some knowledge in automation, Selenium, Java, Selenium, all those things, then you can apply. And we believe they're better together apart. So this means working in person at least 3 days per week. So this means not a 5 day per week. You can work from office 3 days per week. So this is a wonderful opportunity. You can apply. For applying, just click apply now. Then you can autofill with your resume or apply manually. So make sure to update the resume according to job description for any off-campus hiring. Next important opportunity for the fresher of 2025-2026 pass out batch, and the company name is redhat. So I've already provided update to that. Okay, so just click here and you will redirect to new page. So redhat, a good company, and this opportunity provided. So if you are looking for the role of trainee project management, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, and computer science, AI, ML, DS or IT or co-related field, CS related field, then you can apply. Next important opportunity in Trivandrum. So if you are from the Trivandrum, then walk-in drive is going on 14th March. So you can just apply by scanning this QR code, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Okay, I will provide all the job link in the description. You can go through it. Okay. Next important opportunity from the Hindu Institute of Technology and Science. They are hiring faculty and department, CSC, and all those things, qualifications as per ICT norm, and UG, PG relevant discipline you should have, means academic background, and you should have excellent communication skill. So if you are interested for this, then you can apply by 25 March 2026. Next important opportunity from Marvox. They are hiring for the role of AI, ML engineer intern. So freshers 2026, 2025, 24 are going to apply. If you have some knowledge in machine learning, Python, data skill, then you can apply. Okay. So for applying, you can just click here and will redirect to a new page, and just you can go to, I will share you the direct job link in the description. You can apply there. Next important opportunity, that is techwave. They are hiring freshers for the Hyderabad. So pass out here 2023 2025. If you are from BSc computer or B.Tech, civil mechanical, EC, triple E computer IT or BCom computer, then you can walk into the job location Hyderabad 14th March, and this is the location. So lots of walking are going on. So if you are living near to it now, then I suggest you should visit there. Next important from it is they are hiring for the role of data engineer associate, and this is also a good company, and you will work on AI and all those kind of stuffs. Okay. So sorry, this is for experience, so you can ignore this. And last important opportunity from the Colombo International Campus. This is also role for the assistant lecturer, and if you have some qualifications, BSc electrical engineering, all those things, and fresh graduates with first class or second class, then you can apply. Okay, means freshers eligible for this. So if you are interested in teaching and all those stuff, then you can apply. Now, last important opportunity from the HSBC. They are hiring for the role of trade operation associate, and freshers are eligible for this. So if you are from the commerce background and some knowledge in all those things, then you can apply. So strong organization and time management skill, good team player, and these are means just basic skill they are asking. So I'll suggest everyone, especially 2025 2024, you should apply for this opportunity. Friends, for getting such important job that you can subscribe us. Currently NQT hiring is going on. Soon Cognizant, Accenture, another mass hiring will be announced. So I'll provide all those updating my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe us in the meantime. And those who have exam must go through this video related to exam rules and hacks which I have talked. And if you are following the coding series, then that is good. If you haven't gone through video, you can refer all this. So make sure to share this video among your friends, and if you still have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.